In this video, you will learn how to use ZIA configuration to scan, audit, and document your Active Directory domains. To scan Active Directory domains, create a new Active Directory domain list task. Enter a name for the scan task. Enter the names of the Active Directory domains or domain controllers to be scanned. If required, use custom agent settings. For example, to select the scan method, press F1 to view context-sensitive help. To view the configuration of an Active Directory domain, right-click the Active Directory domain item, then select Properties. Browse Active Directory domain configuration using the tree view on the left. View detailed configuration on the right. To generate Active Directory domain documentation, right-click and select Save as PDF to open the Generate Documents window. Click Active Directory Domain Options to select the components to include in the document. Bespoke branding can be applied. To compare Active Directory domain configuration, click Compare to open the Compare Items window. Select the version and component to compare. Use reports to audit your Active Directory domains. Browse the built-in Active Directory reports using the tree view on the left. Execute reports on the right. Report against specific containers or other criteria. Output to CSV, PDF, or on-screen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find out more about ZIA configuration, please go to www.centralsolutions.com/ZIA configuration.